Good morning. I'm Greg Watson, and this is Rec to Rental. As always, first thing we do is we thank God for seeing another day. We thank Him for the challenges, which can be frustrating, but they always teach us something. We thank Him for the blessings, which most likely we don't deserve. And I always say, a loving heavenly hello, my beautiful wife. Te amo, mommy. So today we're going to take down some trees. I have a professional crew coming because these are rather tall trees. And even though I can wield the chainsaw myself, I have gotten a little wisdom over the years and allow those who do it well, who do it quick, and who do it safely to do it instead of me. So follow along. Hopefully we'll see some fun stuff. Hopefully we'll learn something. And praise God. This is the beautiful pine tree that kind of hurts my heart. We got to take it down. It provides shade in the summer and protects us from strong winds in the winter. But this tree has something unique about it. It has a pipe growing out of it. So obviously the pipe and the tree have been here for a very long time. It'll make it a little bit more challenging for the professional tree cutters because this tree has to go down below grade because this is where the new driveway is going for the 3-car garage. So I will learn something today too, how not to ruin your chainsaw. So the professional men and women have arrived to take down the trees. Oban Tree Service, local guys and gal, do an awesome job. And as you can hear, the chainsaw in the background is going to get busy. So we'll take some videos, let you see what's going on, and stay out of the way. It's always amazing to me how they're so adept in climbing trees with the spikes on their feet. We also have a tree shredder so they can get rid of all of the debris. So limb by limb, they take it down. As you can see, they're all wearing ear protection because it's very loud. I don't know why men think of objects as women, feminine. But again, glad to see a beautiful lady getting sheared, and then we'll come down. Higher and higher he goes. And down comes the top. It makes it look so simple. We'll start taking pieces off at a time. And down they come, piece by piece. But with the pine tree gone, that opens up the area. And also with these other smaller trees getting thinned out, it'll make it for a less cluttered view of the home. It's amazing how the grinder can just shred everything up into little tiny chunks that you actually use as mulch or bark. Well, she's gone. They're going to come back after they get the other trees to do the surgery on the stump and then grind this down. So now to the backyard. We'll see what's happening there. Next come the trees in the backyard. Got to be a little bit more delicate because they overhang some of the fences and are near the house. So again, that's why you hire a professional. And down she comes. There it goes, smaller than the house, down to the ground. I turned my head and they took the second tree down. So we can now see the beautiful blue sky. I just find it amazing how quickly they can work. Safely, but noisily. And as I like to say, noise means things are getting done. As I previously mentioned, this lean-to garage will be going away. But before we can demo it, we have to do an asbestos survey. Because of its age, because of the shingles, because of paint, you just never know what's in there. We hope that there won't be any, but we have Blaine from Blaine Edwards Environmental coming later today to take some samples. They'll send them off to a lab, and if they come back negative, we can just demolish the thing and send it to the transfer station. If it comes back that it does have asbestos, then we have to take some extra precautions, because during the demo, we don't want the asbestos dust to get up into the air and for people to potentially breathe it. That would be bad. And then we also have to send it to a special toxic waste dump. These obviously are additional costs, which we never like, but we have to do what's safe. So we'll wait for Blaine and we'll see what he does. So here's Blaine. He's joined us from Edwards Environmental, and he's going to kind of tell us what he does when he's looking for asbestos.
So yeah, on an inspection report, you're looking for anything that's a suspect building material. And these are things like textures, glues, any kind of coatings, floor coverings, you know, anything that's basically not wood, metal, or concrete. Obviously, we don't have to sample carpet or insulation. Sometimes I can call an insulation as fiberglass if I know it's fiberglass. Other insulations we may have to sample. But really, it's about sampling only the suspect building materials. So drywalls with paint and textures, sheet vinyls, tile floors, glues and adhesives, they're suspect. Some types of roofing, not all roofing. 3-tab,
No
we
problem.
could call that out as just regular asphalt 3-tab roofing. And obviously wood is not. So yeah, them are the suspect materials. And if we do find them, we take samples of them, size of a quarter to a nickel, put them in a bag, take them to an independent lab. They read them. If we come back with anything positive, then they have to be addressed and removed by a certified asbestos abatement company with certified workers and supervisors. Unless you're the homeowner that resides in his house.
Oh, okay.
So if a
Good tip.
homeowner wants to do his own abatement, it has to be his house that he lives in. He has to be the owner and occupier. And only he can do.
Only he can do it.
He can't have his friend, he can't have his uncle, he can't have his son help him.
Okay.
No, because
Good tips.
it can only be the actual owner, and it can't be rentals. It can't be a duplex. The owner can't live on site A and do his own abatement and rent out site B. That is also a no-no. So it's only for owner-occupied, single-family residence, standalone, no condos. But other than that, then I would give you a bid if we found anything, and then obviously we'd have to remove the file permits and then dispose of it.
Not to hold you to anything, but so far looking at this wood structure, we're looking okay.
Okay, there's no suspect materials. It's all open stud framing, wood floors, comp roof, wood siding. There's nothing to sample. There's not even any insulation in this one.
There's not.
So there's no question. So basically on this type of survey, what we can do as a Hero Building Inspector is just write a letter saying that Edwards Environmental and Blaine Edwards myself, a Hero Building Inspector, did a good faith inspection. Upon the inspection, there was no identified suspect materials. This thing has no asbestos. It's ready to knock down.
Terrific.
So in this case, there's nothing to sample.
Fantastic.
So you don't need the big long report because there's nothing in it. Right.
Yeah.
And they used to let you take pictures and you could take them down and then show them, but that's not good anymore. They want to license a Hero Building Inspector to do the inspection, even though same result. But anyway, it's good. It's good to do that because obviously you want to err on the side of caution. Safety first. Yeah.
All right.
Other
Well,
than that, that's it.
I appreciate it.
Yeah,
I
absolutely.
look forward to your short little
Yep.
report.
Yeah.
And, good seeing you.
Okay.
again.
Yeah. Well, take care.
So this is a stump grinder. This is how he's going to take down the stumps and gently get around that pipe without damaging the machine. Well, you can see we just have a bunch of chipped wood. This is where that stump was with the pipe in it. And it went really deep into the ground and probably was used originally to hold the baby tree up. So it's all gone. Looks good. Now let's go take a look at the backyard. Simply amazing. Removing those 2 trees and a couple of limbs from the others that are remaining. It's just opened this yard up completely, let the light in, and will make for a great place for children and our pets to run and play. Now it's to clean up all the little shrubs and the bushes and get it into nice working order so that all you need is the lawnmower to maintain the backyard. A very productive day here at the Chehalis Project House. We took down trees in the backyard, bring in the sun. We took down the pine tree in the front, which would be impeding the new driveway for the 3-car garage. We had Blaine from Edwards Environmental here to do a survey of the garage, which will eventually come down. Crossing our fingers, there'll be no asbestos and everything will be great. Thanks for tagging along. Have a blessed day. Hope to see you next time.